made it down to Flame Performance, and today is the day that we are finally tuning Billy's R33. It's already been on the dyno, most of the tune's been done. You've got to be stoked, finally.
It's pretty cool, yeah, that's awesome.
You were saying to me just before that it's made already way more power than you initially were hoping for.
Yeah, they're trying to keep it down pretty much, so that's a good sign. The turbo doesn't fall off, it actually keeps going, trying to keep it down and keep the torque down.
So what did it just make then?
I made 411 horsepower, and that was on a 15 pound, and it made 475 torque. And it started to creep, you know, once it got past like 6800 it was still going. So they had the button off, so yeah, pretty good.
So what's he turning it down to boost-wise?
He's going to go for a 10 pound switch and a 15 pound switch.
Yeah.
So it should make, we're hoping around like, you know, 340, that'd be good number, keep the gearbox from like disintegrating itself in third gear.
As a lot of you guys know, Billy is just running a RB small box and they're glass.
Yeah,
they're glass.
People are like, clutch again, bro. I'm like, yeah, sweet. Form and stuff.
I've said on a live stream why this has taken so long, but do you want to just tell the people what happened with the manifold?
So the manifold is complete garbage. Never buy that manifold ever. It had a 6mm warp end to end, so you could basically seesaw a fucking ruler on it. Not only that, there was a pinhole in the welds as well, so they had to take that up as well.
True, I didn't even know that.
Yeah.
Far out.
So it's the burrs, the warpage, the pinholes, it's not worth buying.
No.
It's not even close to being worth buying. You're better off to get like the one that you have, which is like the Freddy, they call them like Freddy manifolds. They seem to be, because they're like more cast made, not welded, they're way better.
Yeah.
Don't buy the welded Chinese shit, it's crap.
Yeah, and the Freddy ones are like $600-700 versus $1,300
shipped.
A nightmare. $1,300 shipped for a nightmare of a thing.
Yeah, no, complete waste of time. I am swapping that out. They recommended that I do swap it out with a gritty, so here we go.
That dose is sick.
It's going to be pretty cool. Just go, pew, 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 pew.
Yeah. That actually sounds so sick.
Pretty good, eh?
Matt's car here. Not actually sure what's getting done to it. Might be a tune.
I would enjoy that because like as a driver I like to pedal it, like blah, 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 off and on. Yeah. So when you go through town, you don't want it to be too tight, then you can't pedal it, you know?
Yeah, just sometimes you get like transitional knock as it's moving down the back. So yeah, I'm just
Sounds fucking real spicy.
I was saying, always makes pretty good. We've got a footage, that's all it. So
yeah, I love the turbo. Everything about that turbo.
yeah, I love it too.
Do you want to just do that again? I've got the camera rolling a bit later.
I was like,
It sounds so good. The dose on this is so good.
Fucking spicy, eh? Yeah, do that a couple of times and you just
Woo! Sirens!
really done,
The tune's pretty much all done. We're just going to take it for a little bit of a street drive, do some finer tuning. Jeff's on the laptop. On this is so good.
I always love to
I gauged the sound through that little tunnel there. It's all amplified. So we're back from doing a little road tuning. Jeff's gone over everything and the car is performing mint. Billy didn't come with us, so he's going to experience the power of this car for the first time right now. Excited?
Low boost.
Low boost, yeah.
See what that does first.
Oh yeah, I can definitely get used to that clutch. That's nice. So if you guys don't remember, it's got a Pulsar G25 660, which is a really small frame turbo. But we'll go over the dyno sheet in a second. It didn't fall off at all, but it's still super responsive.
It almost feels like what it was in terms of where the power comes in,
Yeah.
but another 150 horse.
Yeah.
That's all it is, and it sounds cool. I like the suspension.
Yeah, it's good.
It's nice, it's not too hard, it's quite a nice ride actually. Fuck yeah, Joel. We did well, mate. We did real good.
And it's a solid car.
I like the clutch. I didn't think I'd like it that stiff, but I do like it.
Yeah.
I'll definitely get used to that once my leg strengthens up. Need to go back to the gym or something. It's a little drony, but
Is it just got the one muffler in it?
it's got a resonator and a muffler, but the tip is so fucking fat
Yeah.
that it's just like, you know, pretty. It's just too big.
Yeah.
It's just too big. It needs to be smaller.
On this is so good.
Oh, the dose. It is pretty fucking cool sounding. What a setup.
Yeah, no, it's mint.
Does it feel quick in the passenger seat or not really?
Yeah, no, it does. It definitely feels quick. It's just because the wastegate's plumbed in and it doesn't have a screamer pipe. It just doesn't feel rowdy.
Just goes.
But it's quick. It's definitely quick. Like you can feel it putting you back in the seat, and it's still only on low boost.
No, I'm pretty happy with this, Joel. We did a good job, mate.
Yeah, no, it's mint.
Good little street car, you know.
Yeah, 100%. And Billy's got this thing booked in for a panel and paint. You said in February.
Yeah, 1st of Feb.
So it's definitely going to look the part after that. And then is it going to be run for a suit before that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully, because I'm just waiting for a response to a potential cancellation,
Yeah.
and I'm hoping.
Just turn off, yeah.
Yeah, I'm just hoping that they say like yes, and I'm also hoping we have time to do all the stuff that needs to be done.
Yeah.
No big rush though, because like we got the main stuff done. You see what happens.
Oh, that's so good.
Yeah, boogies, eh?
Yeah.
That was only like half throttle.
It's quite some time on now. We were going to be doing an outro for the video with Billy, but just timing hasn't worked out. He's been super busy since he's gotten back to work after the new year. Super stoked for him that the car's running and makes good power. A few things still to come up on the car, getting it certed, painting and all that, so look forward to that. Some stuff that's coming up this week is we've got all of the turbo stuff side done on the motor for R33 Lorel. We're about to wrap up putting the clutch and stuff back on this, getting the gearbox on. We've got the angle kit coming up that we're going to be installing into the Lorel 2, and then we're going to be putting the engine and gearbox in the car. So that's going to be pretty cool. We've also got some more stuff coming up with Anthony's S14, getting the cage pretty much all wrapped up this week. Changed up the side lateral bars, which you guys will see in probably a video coming up in the next few days. We've got them tucking the A-pillar a lot nicer. It's a lot closer, so it's real good. But yeah, anyway, that's going to wrap it up here, and catch you in the next one.